to apply for US university admission? Types of intakes in the US. There are 3 admission intakes in the US: spring intake, summer intake, and fall intake. The table below shows the US university intakes and the application period. How to apply for US universities? Decide your target universities. Go to their websites and mark the important deadlines. Get the documents required for application handy before you initiate the application process. Get your Form I-20 and Savings ID to proceed for US student visa application. Documents required to study in the US.